now we are on the way to Meghalaya Falls. So here is my friends. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. So we are going there. So it will take around 7 to 10 minutes to reach there in the falls. So let's see with us. We are going ahead to see the beautiful of Meghalaya Falls. This is super. Our special guest, Mr. Ivan, and he is clicking some pictures, and he is very excited to see the waterfalls, since there is no waterfalls in Netherlands, as he say. So now we are going flat area. So now we are going to see, and he is very excited. Let's go. So now we have to walk from this one beautiful bridge, which is made of iron rod, and see. Wow.
Water is so clean.
Wow. You can hear the sound.
What we cannot cross is this bridge.
It's all green everywhere.
And this is
as we are going down, within just few minutes we are going to see one of the beautiful falls in Meghalaya. And this is the right season that we should come and see this fall, as the water is big, and then we have enough rainfall this week. So we will see how this water is look like, how this waterfall it's look like, whether it's beautiful or not. We are going to show you right now, right away. Come on. You can see from here, this is a little you can see a little bit of waterfalls from here, as we are going straight from one point. As I can show you, this is one of the waterfalls that we are going to show you. This is it. We are just inside of the waterfall. As you can see, this is the waterfall, and you can see the water is flowing right away up from there, and just is going down, and then just a few minutes I will show you when we are right away at the bottom of this waterfall. eat, I can eat.
Yeah, you send me the picture.
Okay.
It's good.
Bien. International border. This is international border.
Very nice day. We drove all the way up to I think beautiful waterfall, like a bit in the way in the nature, nice trekking, not too long, and then a big waterfall, and there is 3 levels, so you can go behind the waterfall. Very amazing experience, because it's a difference between just seeing the waterfall or going nearly inside of it and feeling the power of it. So it's very beautiful, good experience in the nature. I think Meghalaya is very unique and beautiful state. Very unique in the sense of it's so green and the people are so kind and hospitable. So yeah, I feel directly at home, and the food is good. It's difficult to say something that I don't like about it, because it's all just like, very amazing. Today we saw 3, so that's already 3, and I saw some, like maybe like 10 or 15, but there are too many waterfalls. I think you can explore your whole life only here. So many beautiful waterfalls. So yeah. I will fly back to the Netherlands on the 14th of July. So then I've been for 1.5 years in India. So it started with the lockdown, and then here and there, and now I finally got the opportunity to go back, and I'm really gonna miss India, but from the other side also so happy to see my family, of course. This is the other side. I want to definitely say thank you to everybody in the state for the wonderful culture that has been created here, and that the people should feel proud of, because it's very, very beautiful, and I really appreciate it, and also to have been part of it, and to I would highly recommend it if they ask me, like, oh, where should I visit, where should I go? Meghalaya is one of the top places, just by the unique atmosphere, unique culture, the hospitality, safety. It's very diverse, so many things to see. So I would say go to Meghalaya.